Nandito tayo ngayon sa Thames. Yun, try natin na makakuha ulit ng maraming isda. Andito yung buong pamilya namin halos. So, ito yung aming bangka. Ay, maliit na bangka. Hindi yun, yung una. Ito lang. Yan. May-ari ito. Ito yung may-ari. Yan. Si George. Yan. Pero ayan, ito kami, 4 na sasakyan kami nandun. Ayun, nandun yung mga madam. O, ayun. Ayun. O, ayun. Kita mo yan? Yan, mga madam. Mamaya, 2 batch kami kasi hanggang 4 lang ang laman. O, maximum of 5 yung aming sasakyan. Ito, ano yan? Ano ba to?
Fisherman.
Fisherman daw siya pero parang hindi Ito siyempre yung aming beauty queen. Yan. Okay. Sige. See you later.
Brian Bautista, 17 years old, Santa Maria High School, hunting and fishing, snappers. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. We're here at Thames, Coromandel, going fishing. We're on the boat with the Bautista family. I think I will catch 7 fish today.
Yes! That's Aaron. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys! Misty here. We want to go fishing and hunting for snapper and nice guy and good guy with a big boat. Ito Toji, kunan mo rin at saka si Ace. Daddy!
Introduction. Say your name, age, what you
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Happy New Year.
Okay. Dito tayo dito.
Ito guys yung ano namin, yung bahay kubo. Meron kami mga kaldero. Ayan, fix ko lang. Ayan,
Grabe.
kompleto to. Ayan. Tapos,
Bahay.
baso, plato, butane, ayan, lahat. Ito na, ilalabas na namin
May-ari
para makita nyo ninyo.
Ayan guys, yung
Ayan. Ito yung may-ari. Ako lang yung utusan.
kompleto yan.
Meron siyang lutuan, lagayan ng grocery.
Grocery, may grocery.
Ayan, nandyan na lahat.
Grabe. Bless you Okay.
Ito, lagayan ng mga
Grabe, wala ka nang hanapin. Tama-tama to. Pagkatapos mong manghuli, kakain na lang tayo. Lutuin mo muna bago kainin
Ispisan mo muna.
Okay, ito. Nagtayo po sila guys ng tent. Para meron tayong pahingahan mamaya. Nagdala na rin kami ng aming sound system para mag-video okay daw sila mamaya. Ito yung aming singer. Ayan. Okay.
TV dito.
Ready
TV
na?
sa loob.
May TV pa sa loob. Itong klase, basta sukin natin guys itong loob.
meron tayong TV na 40 inches.
May TV nga.
May tulugan.
May tulugan, may TV pa oh. Oh,
Dito
yun.
guys.
Pwede to gawing motel.
Tapos may ano pa, may power
May regalo.
charge.
Power bank pa yan.
Ibang klase.
May power charge,
Ayan.
power bank.
Ready na sila sa pang ano ng pampingwit. Okay. Sige, doon tayo. Ito na yung first batch na magpi-fishing. Ayan. Ayan si Aaron, si Kyle, si Brian, siyempre si Boss George. Ayun, may nagbablog to.
Sky so blue, feel the ocean, just me and you.
So dito tayo papasok. Bago pumasok dito may bayad.
Wave so high,
Ayan, ang bayad dito
summer
ay
love, let's touch the sky.
1 year? $15 1 year? 50. $50 1 year. 15 per per entry.
Sun and sand, so
$15. So dito kami nakapwesto mamaya. Ito yung ating mga hi!
swaying, breeze so light, party all day, dance all night. Feel the
Tayo
sunshine,
papasok tayo
feel the
mamaya.
glow.
How many years ago na rin na kami? Siguro mga mga 5 years, 6 years ago na huli ko na vlog ito. So, malaki na yung pagbabago. Medyo nag-organize sila ngayon. Maganda na yung toilet, maganda na. Tapos yung ramp dito. Doon tayo papasok.
Country swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea.
Okay, akit na guys, akit na. Taas mo yung ano mo. Okay, basahin mo yung chinelas
Feel
mo.
the rhythm, move your feet.
Oh, lamig daw,
Sun and
lamig.
sand is so sweet.
Lamig yung ano.
Summer days
Okay.
can't be beat.
Sige guys, akit lang ako. Mamaya, second batch. Guys! Lamig. Lamig na tubig guys, ang lamig. Grabe.
Dance, dance in the summer
Yan.
heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be
Ito yung aming team. Ano, this is your first time, Kyle, di ba? First time ni Kyle ito. Ito pinaka-addict ito si Aaron. Ayan. Doon sila, oh. Okay. Dito kami. Okay, eto na. tayo.
Dance with me by the sea. Dance, dance in the summer.
Dito may mga isda na marami na.
Move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Ay! Ito, sabit na siya. Sinabi ko niya na. Palutang. Kaya tayo mag-ano. Ito yung kapitan ng Marvel. Abong ba?
Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun
Ready?
and
Brian.
sand, it's so sweet.
Ayusin mo, Brian, ha?
Summer days can't be beat.
Sige, banat! Banat! Banat, Brian! Oh! Uy! Ate! Kasi ako ni Brian, baby. Tapo mo yan. Baby shark? Pambira! Ito guys, kailangan namin kasi makakuha ng more than 30 cm. Tama ba ako? 30, more than 30. So para safe kami, mga 32 yung aming plano. So, ayun. So, una nga si Brian nakakuha, kaso sablay. Sablay, Brian. Hindi ka pa rin panalo. Kung sino daw unang makakuha, may premyo daw eh. Dati si Aaron, tinati si Aaron. Aaron, meron ba? Wala. Ulit. Ako, nawala na yung pagkain. Kaso wala guys. Walang nakuha isda. Ginawa lang yung beat namin. Okay, next. Second. Time ni Brian kukuha. Sana, medyo malaki na to Brian ha. Tanda lang. Tanda mo na konti.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me
Gusto naman makukuha nito.
sandy beaches, waves so high.
Teka lang, tinan natin.
Summer love, let's touch the
Okay to.
sky.
Okay siya.
Dance
Nanalo si
in the summer heat.
Lolo Nars.
The rhythm, move your feet.
Nanalo.
Sun and
Ilan?
sand,
Wala pa,
so
susukatin pa yan.
Summer
pa rin manalo yan.
days can't be beat.
Kailangan may sukat kasi siya.
Party
Dito sa
swaying,
New Zealand kasi ganun yung pag-iisda.
party all
Katulad sa atin,
day,
bahala na.
dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow.
So, ito si Kyle. Wala.
Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
Kunin mo dun, Kyle. O sukat.
Sun and
Nanalo.
sand is
Talo.
so sweet. Summer days can't be
Oh. Good. Yun, sinukat.
31 lang. Maliit.
Pwede, 31.
Pwede kong kain.
palm tree swaying, breeze so light. Party
na?
all day, dance
30?
all night.
Okay.
Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow.
Oh!
Dance in the
Tinapon pa rin,
summer
guys.
heat.
31 na yun. Pero
Rhythm,
tinapon pa rin.
move your feet.
Ganon dito kasi marami pa naman makukuha.
Sun and sand
So,
is
hindi ka pa
so
rin
sweet.
nanalo. Brian, hindi pa rin nanalo.
Days can't
Yan
be
talaga.
let the
Time na to ni
music
Brian.
take
Pag hindi pa rin
control.
umano yan, ewan ko lang.
Feel the magic in your
All na
soul.
naman.
Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea.
Ay, dilis na naman.
Dance in the
Ano ba yan?
summer heat.
Wala,
Feel the
tapon yan,
rhythm,
tapon yan.
move your
Pero sa atin, no, malaki na yan.
sun and sand
wala
is so sweet. Summer days
Tatlong attempt,
can't
wala pa rin.
be beat.
Ganito kalaki. Isang dangkal na higit. Pero itatapon mo naman ito. Ano natin? Free! You're free now. Nakuha na ni Aaron. Kaso wala pa rin. Fourth attempt. Si Aaron naman ang nakakuha. Wala din. Maliit pa rin yan. Itatapon pa rin yan. Sa mga subscriber mo.
Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet.
Oh, mga
Days
30 minutes na kami, wala pa kami nakukuha. Kaya meron kami nahuli. Ito, suman. Suman muna tayo. Sarap. Oh, Brian. Kaway, kaway. Oh, to. Ito na. Sure na to. Si Brian talaga panalo. Yun, oh. Woo! Ayan, panalo na to. Ano ba, hawakan mo? Ay, kaso takot naman yung fisherman natin hawakan. Matulis. Good. Hindi ko alam. Nakatakot. Give me the hook. Your fingers in it. Brian talaga panalo. Wala na. Si Brian, malupit.
You have to move it a bit. They follow.
Wala. Ayan, sigurado na yan. Alam ko na yan. Sukas na, 30 na higit yan. Yes. Oh, ayan, ano, wala.
Ay, wag mo to.
Eh, ako naman yun.
sky so blue. Feel the ocean just me and you.
Madulas eh.
Beaches wave so high.
Sige po ito daw,
Summer love,
Brian.
let's touch the sky. Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
Yun, ang
Sun
expert.
and sand is so
Siyempre,
sweet.
expert yan eh.
Summer days.
Ako, wala pa ako nakukuha. Ayos.
Palm trees sway
The captain.
breeze so light. Party all day, dance all
Kami, takton kami.
feel the sunshine.
Malaki yan, Kyle. Bigyan mo kay Tito George. Bigyan mo kay Tito
Summer
George.
vibes, just let it flow. Dance in the
Matigas. Oh,
summer. Move your feet.
Sumabit daw.
Sun and sand is so sweet.
Ah, meron.
Can't
Oh,
be beat.
yun. Nakakuha rin si Kyle. Ayos. Oh, ito naman. Ito naman si Brian na naman. Si Brian na naman. Nagwawala na naman to si Brian. Ayan na.
Palm trees sway.
Oh.
Breeze so
Ako
light.
lang ang zero dito. Zero
Party
ako.
all day, dance all night. Feel the
Hindi, vlogger lang
sunshine.
daw. Vlogger
Feel
lang.
the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
Baka mo, Brian. Baka mo, Brian.
Sun and sand is so sweet.
Ang laki na
Summer
sarap yan.
days can't
Okay.
let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm,
Yun, oh.
move your feet.
Ibang klase.
Sun
Hindi
and
umabot ng
sand
30.
is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Baka naman muscle na naman yan. Hindi na, malaki na to. Babalik-balik na yung Pura, pagod na ikaw. Hindi mo na maikot. Ikot, kaya mo pa yan. Sige. Lagay Tito George ulit.
Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so
Alright!
sweet.
Anong pangalan nito, Aaron?
Summer
Yerner.
days can't be beat.
Angel Fish na lang. Madali yung nanggitin yun. Mayroon pang Bernard. Okay. Ang ganda.
Wala
Oh.
naman to pa, no?
Wala limit yan. Masarap ba yan? Anong luto nito?
Rito.
Wow. Oh, yan nahanap mo kay. Flying fish. Oo. Talaga may boses yan, no? Alam mo ako, oy. Balik. Wow.
30.
30. Picture. Bawa mo na. 1, 2,
just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes just let it go. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes just let it go. Dance, dance in the summer.
Picture ka.
Rhythm,
Kaya hirap ka eh.
sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Grabe, Tel. Lakas po kumain ah. Huling-huli ah.
Dance, dance in the summer. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer.